Most men do not have bad skin. They have inconsistent habits. This video replaces guesswork with a short, repeatable routine. You will build a basic system you can run every day. Visible changes usually appear after 2 to 3 weeks of steady use. Step 1. Cleanser, twice daily. Wash your face in the morning and at night. Remove oil, sweat, and surface debris that block pores. Wet your face. Use a coin-sized amount of face wash. Massage gently for 30 seconds. Rinse and pat dry with a clean towel. If your skin feels tight or stings after washing, switch to a gentler cleanser. Choose a non-foaming or low-foam formula if sensitivity is a concern. Step 2. Moisturizer. After every wash, cleansing removes oil. Some of that oil is necessary to keep the skin barrier intact, reduce dryness, and support the skin barrier. Use a pea-sized amount. Spread evenly across the face and jawline. Include the sides of the nose and under the chin. Choose texture by skin type. Oily skin, use a light gel. Dry skin, use a cream. If breakouts increase after starting a product, stop it and try a simpler formula. Step 3. Sunscreen. Every morning, UV exposure contributes to pigmentation, texture changes, and early aging. Use 2 fingers for face and neck. Apply 15 minutes before going outside. Reapply after heavy sweating or prolonged outdoor activity. For short, indoor outings, still apply sunscreen. Incidental UV adds up over time. Choose broad-spectrum SPF 30 or higher. Step 4. Night routine. At night, repeat only 2 steps: cleanser, moisturizer. No additional products are required at the beginning. If your skin becomes irritated, remove all extras and keep only these 2 steps for a week. Step 5. Exfoliation. Dead skin can build up and dull the surface. Use a mild exfoliant. Apply gently. Do not exfoliate more than once a week. Step 6. Environmental control. Change pillow covers twice a week. Clean phone screens regularly and avoid resting your cheek on them. Avoid touching your face. Do not squeeze pimples. Drink water regularly. Sleep at least 7 hours and keep a consistent schedule. That is the full minimal routine. Follow it for 2 weeks and track changes. That's all.